भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के प्रशिक्षु अधिकारियों की स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड किले के दीवार के पीछे खड़ी है और मैदान में प्रवेश करने के लिए तैयार है। जैसा कि दर्शकगण देख सकते हैं, किले के द्वार खुल चुके हैं। कुछ ही क्षणों में बिगुल बजाकर परेड को मैदान में प्रवेश करने की संकेत देंगे। भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के 67वें बैच के प्रशिक्षु अधिकारियों से सुसज्जित भव्य परेड किले के द्वार से मैदान में प्रवेश करती हुई परेड के मैदान में स्थान ग्रहण करते ही दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि जोरदार तालियां बजाकर परेड की हौसला अफजाई करें।
Ladies and gentlemen, today's Independence Day parade consists of 144 officer trainees, which includes 20 lady officer trainees, and the parade is led by officer trainee Mr. Karthikeyan Gokulachandran. A total of 6 platoons are participating in today's parade. Platoon number 1 is led by officer trainee Mr. M. Shri Abhinav. Platoon number 2 is led by officer trainee Mr. Rahul Alwal. Platoon number 3 is led by officer trainee Ms. Charu Nigam. Platoon number 4 is led by officer trainee Mr. Kenley Tenzin. Platoon number 5
दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि निशान के परेड मैदान में प्रवेश करते ही निशान के सम्मान में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं तथा वर्दीधारी सल्यूट करें। निशान टोली का नेतृत्व संभाले हुए हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री अमन सिंह राठौर और निशान को थामे हुए हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री BM लक्ष्मी प्रसाद।
The National Police Academy was established on 15 September 1948 to train new entrants to the Indian Police Service and to organize in-service training for all levels of the service. In recognition of the outstanding achievements of the Academy and its services to the nation, the President of India's Colours was awarded to the Academy on 15 September 1988. So far, 66 batches of IPS probationers have passed through the portals of this institution, as also a large number of officers of the state and central police organizations and foreign police forces. The Academy has completed 67 years in the service of the nation and is justifiably proud of its alumni, many of who have held and are holding top positions of trust and responsibility not only in police forces of states and center but also in non-police organizations. The Academy is proud of those alumni whose services have been recognized by the nation through the award of Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, and medals for gallantry, distinguished services, and meritorious services. The Academy is even more proud of those alumni who have laid down their lives at the altar of duty. The galloping of horses is indicating the arrival of a director ma'am.
As mark of respect to the director of the Academy, Ms. Aruna Nandamula.
Good morning, ma'am, and happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
We all extend a very warm welcome to her.
प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री कार्तिकेय गोकुल चंद्रन परेड का निरीक्षण करने का अनुरोध करने हेतु मंच की ओर सटीक एवं सदे हुए कदमों से हौसला आसमान की बुलंदियों को छूता हुआ सूर्य को तेज व मीठी सी मुस्कान के साथ मंच की ओर अग्रसर।
जय प्लेटून और विशाल परेड पर स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड आपके निरीक्षण को हाजिर है महोदय।
Our director, Miss Aruna M. Bahuguna, was born on 13th February 1957. She joined the service in 1979 and has the distinction of being the first women IPS officer of Andhra Pradesh cadre. She has completed her schooling from St. George's Grammar School and stood first rank in Hyderabad. From a very tender age, she showed impeccable qualities of leadership and an efficient administrator. She did her graduation in history from Women's Christian College, Madras, where she held the position of Vice Chairperson and Cultural Secretary. Another feather in her illustrious career is becoming the first woman director of this prestigious training institution. Recognizing her dedication towards the service, she was honored with Indian Police Medal on 15th August 1995 and President's Police Medal on 26 January 2005.
67वें बैच के भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के प्रशिक्षु अधिकारियों की स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड का निरीक्षण करके मंच की ओर लौटती हुई सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल राष्ट्रीय पुलिस अकादमी की निदेशक माननीय सुश्री अरुणा एम बहुगुणा, आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए हम पुनः मंच पर आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं।
परेड को मंच से गुजारने की अनुमति प्रदान करें महोदय।
कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पर लुटाए जा। बैंड की इस मधुर धुन पर मार्च करती हुई 67वें बैच के भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के प्रशिक्षु अधिकारियों की 6 टुकड़ियां कदम से कदम, हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर तेज चाल में आगे बढ़ते 67वें बैच के नवयुवा प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी। राष्ट्रीय पुलिस अकादमी का मुख्य उद्देश्य भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के लिए ऐसा नेतृत्व प्रदान करना है जो साहस, गर्व, समर्पण और जनता के प्रति उत्कृष्ट सेवा भावना रखते हुए पुलिस बल को आगे बढ़ा सके तथा देश के उत्तरोत्तर विकास में सहायक हो सके।
Ladies and gentlemen, today's prestigious officer trainee Kartikeya Gokulachandran. Platoon number 1 consists of 21 officer trainees and is led by Mr. M. Shri Abhinav. Platoon number 2 consists of 22 officer trainees and is led by Mr. Rahul Alwal. Platoon number 3 consists of 22 officer trainees and is led by Ms. Charu Nigam. The Nishan Toli commander is officer trainee Aman Singh Rathod and Nishan is being carried by officer trainee BM Lakshmi Prasad. Platoon number 4 consists of 22 officer trainees and is led by Mr. Kinle Tenzin. Platoon number 5 consists of 19 officer trainees and is led by Mr. Manjunath TC. Platoon number 6 consists of 22 officer trainees and is led by Mr. Vineet Jaiswal.
मात्र 34 सप्ताह के प्रशिक्षण के बाद प्रदर्शित इस भव्य परेड को देखकर किसी कवि की यह पंक्तियां याद आ गई। खड़ी खाकी वर्दी में सुसज्जित, समाज सेवा की भावना से ओतप्रोत भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के नवयुवा प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी, जिनका संदेश है शीश उठाए बढ़ते हैं हम अपने पथ पर शान से, उड़ने लगी गंध तहजीबी मेरे हिंदुस्तान से, गाते हैं हम मधुर रागनी अमन भरे संदेश की, सींचेंगे जीवन देकर आज़ादी अपने देश की।
The national anthem will be played now, so all the spectators are requested to stand in their places as mark of respect, and uniformed personnels may salute. Now I request our Honorable Director Ma'am
to address the parade.
Joint Director Shri Rajiv Sabarwal, faculty and staff, Parade Commander Shri Karthikeyan Gokul Chandran, officer trainees of 66 and 67 RR, ladies, gentlemen and children. Independence Day greetings to all of you. My congratulations to all those on parade, particularly the parade commander, for an outstanding performance. My felicitations to the medal winners of today, the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service to Inspector Shri Murugaraj, Indian Police Medal for Meritorious Service to Assistant Commandant Shri O.V.K. Shastri, and Head Constable Shri Pawan Singh Rawat. On our Independence Day, we are marking a day of respect for freedom, and when we as a nation came into our own. However, as we continue to evolve on our path towards greater freedom, we must imbibe the values of mutual respect to be truly free. It is no coincidence that some of the greatest freedom fighters, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, and Aung San Suu Kyi, all believed in the concept of forgiveness and mutual respect. Here is a simple example. I am free to keep my house clean, but I might impinge on the freedom of others if I don't give respect and throw my garbage into the streets. Similarly, I am free to have a celebration in my house, but if the noise is too loud, I have shown a lack of respect by reducing the freedom of my neighbor to have a quiet evening. I can move to an isolated wilderness, have no interaction with others, and be a completely free person. However, when we live in an interconnected society, my freedom is ultimately connected to the freedom of others. As the old saying goes, my freedom ends where your nose begins. The job of our security agencies, including the police, is to ensure the balance of mutual respect and freedom of our society as a whole. The enforcement of action when somebody shows a lack of respect for the other person is at the end of the process. We must think of ways to start at the beginning. How do we inculcate values and a culture to measure and ensure values of mutual respect at the beginning? To spread the principle that with freedom comes responsibility? Shall we be the enforcers to collect a fine when streets are being littered, or stop an event when the music becomes too loud, or arrest someone for causing an accident for drunk driving? Or shall we start at the beginning? But how do we start at the beginning? First, acknowledge that it is not only the job of the law enforcement to build a culture of mutual respect. Neither should it be that we are called upon only when the mutual respect breaks down. This job belongs to all of us, our school, education system, teachers, parents, civic organizations, and yes, also our law enforcement. But most importantly, the job begins with one specific individual, oneself, me and you. If we truly believe in mutual respect, we should live with those values. Many lives have been laid down for us to obtain freedom. However, to ensure that those lives are not wasted, let us live lives of mutual respect and by example, so that the people around us may also be infected with our attitude. As we leave this parade ground, I implore you to spend a moment to read about the significance of this hallowed ground on the stone tablets at the entrance. Let us recall with pride the lives of those who have gone before us in the line of duty and pledge to serve our nation and our countrymen with renewed zeal. May we be inspired by the words of the Mahatma from one of the last notes left behind in 1948, expressing his deepest social thought. I will give you a talisman. Whenever you are in doubt or when the self becomes too much for you, apply the following test. Recall the face of the poorest and the weakest man or woman whom you may have seen and ask yourself if the step you contemplate is going to be of any use to him or her. Will he or she gain anything by it? Will it restore him or her to a control over his or her own life and destiny? In other words, will it lead to Swaraj for the hungry and spiritual starving millions? Then you will find your doubts and yourself melt away. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.
एक बार पुनः परेड कमांडर प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री कार्तिकेयन गोकुल चंद्रन परेड को कूच करने की अनुमति हेतु मंच की ओर अग्रसर।
परेड समाप्त हुई, कूच करने की अनुमति प्रदान करें महोदया।
All the spectators are requested to stand in their places as mark of respect to the Academy's color when it passes through the parade ground, and officers in uniform may salute. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक तेरी जान है. We, Sub-Inspector Sangeeta and Ashwini, thank you all for being a part of this historical parade. Have a good day. Jai Hind. I request all the faculty members, staff and guests to head towards the PT ground of the academy as we have the rest of the program over there. Thank you.